Divorce is one of life's most challenging transitions, emotionally, mentally, and financially. I'm frequently asked by clients, what happens when one spouse needs financial support after the dust settles from dividing assets and debts? That's where alimony comes into play. Let's break down exactly how alimony works in Pennsylvania, what the courts consider, how long payments last, and what factors determine who pays and how much. I'm David Stearman, a Pennsylvania family law attorney. For over 3 decades, I've guided countless clients through the complexities of alimony determinations, and I'm here to explain the process in a clear, straightforward way. What is alimony? Alimony is a form of financial support paid by one ex-spouse to the other. In Pennsylvania, alimony is based on need and ability to pay, not on punishment or fault in the marriage. Pennsylvania law requires courts to consider 17 different factors before making an alimony decision. Here's a breakdown of some of the most important ones. Income disparity. If one spouse earns 6 figures and the other earns minimum wage or nothing at all, alimony is much more likely. Length of marriage. While there's no fixed rule, many courts follow the guideline of 1 year of alimony for every 3 years of marriage, though this can vary county by county. At its core, the court's goal is to prevent the lower earning or non-income earning spouse from becoming financially destitute, not necessarily to create a lifetime financial dependency. Let's see how these rules apply in real life. Meet John and Lisa. Married for 18 years, Lisa earns $150,000 a year as a marketing executive. John stayed home to raise 2 children, works part-time, earning $20,000 a year. Does John qualify for alimony? That is likely based on the significant income gap and the length of the marriage. However, the exact amount will depend on how the marital assets and liabilities are divided and what John's reasonable needs are and whether his income can cover them. How does the court calculate alimony? Both John and Lisa will need to create detailed budgets showing their monthly expenses. The court will compare John's reasonable needs against his income. If John can't cover his expenses on his own, Lisa would be required to fill the gap, but only if she has enough income after meeting her own reasonable needs. Can alimony be modified or terminated? Alimony isn't always set in stone. Either spouse can request a modification if their financial situation changes significantly. Alimony can feel like one of the most financially stressful aspects of divorce, but understanding the process helps you set realistic expectations. Whether you're seeking alimony or defending against an alimony claim, the most important thing is to have the right information and the right advocate by your side. I have helped many clients navigate alimony disputes in Pennsylvania, and I know how much is at stake for both parties. Every case is unique, and the best way to protect your financial future is to have a legal strategy tailored to your specific situation. If you're facing a divorce and have questions about alimony, don't hesitate to reach out. My team and I are here to help you find clarity, confidence, and the best possible outcome. Let's start that conversation.